All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
Little words you said spring to mind. Past my bed, both entwined. Was I being inconsistent? I'm sorry, I know that I want this for all my life. Was it my imagination consuming these flowers still blooming? They're caught in a fire. Is the answer in the phoenix to the question of my life? I could be screaming hallelujah if I could only turn back time, take back all those things I said in the tempest of a moment. But oh, my soul is gone and left me, and in the depths he begs for death. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah,
Well, it's early spring and I'm back out just at the base of Skelton Tower. I've been here a few times. I was meant to be camping with somebody else, but my lack of organisational skills always proves my downfall. So I'm out on a solo again. The sun's out, it's lovely up top, but it's still quite cold, so I'll have to make sure I get plenty of firewood prepped. Yeah, I've got sausage and mash for tea. Just gone with something really simple. I've got the Idaho cheesy mash with me just to make it even more easier. Didn't fancy spending a long time cooking today. Just thought we'll have a nice relaxing camp. It's a nice walk here. It's not too long, but it's long enough when you've got a pack on your back like I have. It's quite heavy this week. I brought everything but the kitchen sink with me. But next time I'm out, I'm going to try and do more of an ultralight bushcraft loadout, which I'll show you about next time. Yeah, I'm just in the One Tigris Tentsformer poncho. I'll be sleeping under that tonight. So actually my shelter is the smallest and lightest part of my pack. I've got a new little toy to play with. I got it for my birthday. This is a birthday celebration camp for myself. My wife and children got me a cold steel shovel axe. So it's a shovel, but it's sharpened off. It's at this point I should mention I met a couple of lads up top and they seemed decent enough. So I said that if I couldn't find anywhere else to camp, then there's a spot down here. Now then, you alright? It is. You couldn't find anywhere else then? Hello. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, it's alright, isn't it, eh? It's alright. My name's Mark.
I'm Tristan. That's Carl.
Hi, Carl. Nice to meet you, mate. Look at this mess. This is the problem, people come out and leave fucking shit. This is why we can't have nice things, people. So I've got my new walking stick with me. My wife made this for me. And it's made to be the exact height as the poncho. So I'll always have something with me that I can use to set it up. You'll see.
Just because I can, just because I can. This is goodbye. When I leave tonight, I carry your heart in mine. When you sleep at night, let our love shine bright. She said, honey, please don't cry. I'll be waiting for you on the other side. It will be like brand new. I'll be home in a year or two. Just know that I love you. Know that
ancient building crumbling back into the forest.